to Staffel. Today we are going to learn about simultaneous equations by using graphical method. What is the definition of simultaneous equations? The easy definition is there are two or more equations that you have to connect it, and if there are two lines, so you have to find the point that are intersects each other. Okay, let's see the first slide. If you have equation x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 4, so by using graphical method, you need to find out the point in the coordinate Cartesius. So the first step you have to do is like this, x, and this one y. So if the x equals, you can write simple this x plus y equals 10. Yeah, so you can write x 0, y 0, and find out if x equals 0, so y is equals what number. For example, to find it, x plus y equals 0, because it will intersect in x equals 0, so 0 you put in x, replace x with 0, plus y equals 10. So to find y, just 10 minus 0 equals 10. See, right? Do the same steps like this also, but for now, because the y is 0, you need to find out the x. Like this, x equals 10 minus 0, so the answer it will be 10. And for the last point, if you look, there are 2 points in x, 0 and 10, and one more. I suggest you to write it in negative number. So it's up to you. Do you want to write minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, or continue so on? But usually I prefer to use minus 1. Why? Because I don't want to draw it's too far from the other point. So right here minus 1, and do the same step. Minus 1 plus y equals 10, y 10, minus from the left side move to the right side, so the sign of minus become plus. It will be, yes, y 11. Yeah, and do the same steps like x plus y equals 10, but do the same steps to these equations, x, y, and as usual x be 0, y 0, and x 0 equals 0, so y 0 minus y equals 4, minus y equals 4. Y is 4 divided by minus 1 equals minus 4. And how about the y? If add the x, if y is 0, so x minus 0 equals 4, x equals, yes, just 4. Look, x already in positive number, 0 and 4. So it will be better if you write, find out one more is in negative number. So just minus 1. Yes, minus 1 minus y equals 4, minus y equals 4 plus 1, because moved from the left to the right side. Minus y equals 5, y equals 5 divided by minus 1 equals minus 5. So we get this number. Okay. Okay, let's see the next slide to draw. This is the coordinate Cartesius coordinate, sorry. So as you know that we have to draw this for y line and this is for x line. Okay, sorry, this is the arrow is missed position. Must be the arrow go up and to the x go to the right. And look at the blue in the previous slide, the blue table. So we can draw x 0 and y 10. So this is 0 and the y 10 it will be around here. How to draw it? You have to find the scale between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because that's still we can erase it, 8, 9, 10. So it will here. Yes, you have to draw between this line must in the same scale. So for example, from 0 to 1 in 1 centimeter, so 1 to 2 in 1 centimeter also, and continue so on. You have to do that like that in x coordinate also, x axis also. Yeah. Okay, continue with x equals 10. X equals 10, so we can draw like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, the y 0, and x minus 1, the y it will be 11. This is also minus 1, y 11 it will be here. This is 10. So continue to plot the point to be here. So you can connect the line between this point. If I use the drawing pen, so it's hard to connect between the dot. There is no line, there is no ruler in here, so it will be like this. Yeah, you can write x plus y equals 10, and the next is I use the other color. For x minus 1 equals 4, x equals 0, and y minus 4. 0 with minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4. And x equals 4, y minus 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. X minus 1 already here, and y minus 5. Yes, this one. And connect the dot between the point that you have to find out the intersect between two lines. You can write here x minus y equals 4. Now this is, if you draw correctly, so you will find a point correctly also in the right scale, because this is my drawing is not quite good, so it will so this must be the point that this is the answer of substituous equations between x minus y equals 4 and x plus y equals 10. Okay. Okay, the answer, this point must 7.3. Yeah, I have draw before on a paper and get this answer. It's easy, right? Okay, let's see the other example. Okay, for answering this question, yes, you need to write 5x minus 3y equals 1. So to find out the simultaneous equations between 5x minus 3y equals 1 and 3x minus y minus 5 equals 0. So as in the previous slide, just write x, y, and put 0 as x, put 0 as y, and the other point just look later. We see later after this. Okay, so x put as 0. I copy from the first equations. So 5 times 0 equals 0, minus 3y equals 1, minus 3y equals 1. So the y equals 1 divided by minus 3. It will be minus 1 per 3. So this is the answer, minus 1 per 3. Okay, if y is 0, so what will happen with x? 5x minus 3y is 0, 1. 5x minus 0 equals 1. X equals 1 per 5. And look at here, because there are one positive number and one more 0, so we can use minus 1, or up to you if you want to use minus 2, 3, and so on, up to you. So okay, let's see if I want to change with minus 5. It's minus 5. Why is so not minus 1, just minus 1 only. Okay, 5, it's so minus 3y equals 1, so minus 5. Yes, minus 3y equals 1. Minus 3y equals, move from the left to the right side, minus or negative number become positive number. Sorry, I changed this one. Yes, so minus 3y equals 6. Y equals 6 per minus 3. So the answer is minus 2. Yeah, and do the same steps with this one, but be careful with this constant must go to the right side first, because the pattern of the equations must be ax plus by equals c. Yeah, so the x and y must be in the left side and the constant in the right side. Okay, so we get minus 5 can go to the right side equals 5 x y, put 0 0, and I will explain this a little bit fast. Change x with 0, minus y, 5, 0 minus y equals 5. So my y equals 5 per minus 1. This is minus 5, the answer. Because positive number when divided by negative number or vice versa, it will make the negative number. Let's see x, y 0, 5. Yes, 3x equals 5. So x equals 5 per 3. And now continue with the negative number. Let's try with 1 again. Okay. 3x, 3 minus 1 minus y equals 5. Minus 3 minus y equals 5. Minus y, 5 move plus 3, minus y equals 2. So y equals 2 divided by minus 1 equals minus 2. Okay, if you look from this, there is a point that's already the same. Yeah, okay, so let's remember about this, you can take a picture first about this table, because after that we are going to draw the point in the Cartesian coordinate. Okay, let's draw the point that we get before. This is y, x, and x 0 as usual here, and y minus 1 per 3. You can, if this is 1 centimeter, so 1 per minus 1 per 3, it will be around here. Okay, x equals 1 per 5. So if this is 1 centimeter, yes, the scale for x and y must be same. So it will be 1, it will be 1 per 5 around here. So x0 minus 1 per 3 in here, this is the dot, sorry. Okay, minus 1 per 5. And minus 1 with minus 2, x minus 1, y will minus 2y. So it will go here and here. Connect between the dot, write the equation 5x minus 3y equals 1, and continue with the other equations. X equals 0, y equals minus 5, so 3 minus 4, and it will be minus 5 around here. I choose the color, this one. Yeah, this is the blue one. And continue with x 5 per 3. 5 per 3, if you change 5 per 3 into improper fraction, so it will be 5 per 3 5 divided by 3 equals 1, the rest equals 2, and per 3. So 1, 2 per 3, more than 1, between but less than 2. Yeah, so it will around here. 1, 1 per 3, 2 per 3 here. Okay, continue with x minus 1 with y minus 2. Correct. Minus 3, yes. Okay, let's see. Look from these equations, from this point, the blue one, this one, how we can connect it. It is impossible to connect between these three. So it means there are some mistakes of the calculation if you find like this. What is the mistake? Let's see. Okay, so let's see for this one, what is the mistake? Okay, let's recalculate. From this one, this is, yes, correctly, and this one is correct, and this is, let's see, look, 5 plus 3 equals 2. Must be, yes, 5 plus 3 equals 8. So it will be minus 8. Let's fix the graph. So when x minus 1, yeah, so the y, it will be minus 8, minus 6, minus 7, and it will be minus 8 around here. So you must be go here. Look, okay, so we can connect between these two lines. Why it's the line is so messy? That's why I don't like to use this method, because you have to draw and it takes time. Yeah, how if this line is it doesn't meet each other, or it doesn't intersect each other? So you have to make it long until it can get like that. Yes. Yes, so it takes time. So I usually prefer the other method. What are the other methods? Let's see later after this video. I'm going to explain about the other method, which is easier than this. Okay. Okay, so after I draw by myself on a paper, which one is easier, then draw on this slide. So I get the point exactly in the x equals 3 half and y equals minus 5 1 per 2. This is the answer for the intersect between these two equations. Okay, so that's all about graphical method, which needs your ability to draw, and the scale also must be the same. Yeah, remember, and it needs time to draw this one and plan or plot the point. Okay, so I suggest you to use the other methods for solving the simultaneous equations. See you in the other videos. I hope you can learn something. Thank you. Bye. Okay, see you in another videos. Let's learn about math, physics, or the other subject. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.